I know it's a lot of people out there with Demon 170, particularly your influencer. If you want to race me with your Demon 170, come and see me at the big showdown April the 13th at the Texas Motorplex. I will give you that race. If you have a Demon 170 and want to learn how to drive it, the skill sets that I have to put with it, show up. I'll have time to show you some of the tricks of the trade to make my Demon 170 do what it do. Anyway, I'm Demonology. You know what we doing, snatching souls. Peace. Look who showed up in this truck. Rod, what's up, buddy?
Hey, man, what's happening?
Man, I ain't seen you in forever and a day. Man, look at this Roush truck.
Yeah.
The Lightning. Is it all-wheel drive?
No, I went with two-wheel on purpose.
Okay, why'd you go with two-wheel, Rod?
The four-wheel is a street racing situation.
Yeah.
Don't like street racing. I think it's dangerous. Do it if you want to.
Me either. No, I don't do it.
At your own peril, go for it. If I'm not going to street race it, I don't need four-wheel drive. If I go to the track's not... If the track is not prepped, even though I paid for it to be prepped, I'm not going to run because it wastes time. I might as well go out there in the damn field and chase freaking rabbits. You can't race if you don't have traction. You can do enough suspension work to where this, in the tire technology, this truck's going to hook. There should be no issues, and it's going to be about 1,500 pounds lighter.
Wow.
Than a four-wheel. So you line your
you
line your damn four-wheel up with the same power plant as mine, and I'm going to kick your ass.
Hey, I know that's right.
Hey, you know what I said about weight.
Yeah, I know it. I know. It's in my back pocket.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, man, how's Missy doing?
She's doing good. She said tell you hi.
My wife don't even know you out here, Rod.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
cool.
I'm about to call and tell her.
Oh,
Hey, man, we might have to line these up, this Roush Lightning against this Demon, and see if I can stop blowing the tires on it, and maybe we can get down the track.
Are you spinning the tires?
Yeah, on that Demon 170.
Wow.
If it dead hooks, I've been able to make it run a 5.8. We'll definitely ease into it so we don't blow the tires.
How much tire pressure are you running?
TJ Baily's, I was running 21 pounds, but here I'm gonna have to drop maybe to 18 or so.
How much that car weigh?
It's still, with me in it, it's still 45.
Oh, wow.
I put my jack over there on one side of it, and it seemed to settle it down and let it right over the battery.
Yeah, that's in the trunk, right?
Yeah, in the trunk, because my fat ass on the other side is off balancing it. So
you saved me from having to say it. I like it. I've had to bite my tongue 7 times since I got here.
Hey, look, Ron.
Not to say that.
Hey, that 10th is always in my back pocket. Pump E85. Pump E85.
That color is great. A little darker than the B5 blue back in the day.
The originals.
It is nice. manufacturer of the Supercharger? Do you know?
IHI. It's a 3-liter, 3.0. They haven't started selling it commercially, but you can go to Direct Connection and buy the engine and the Supercharger.
Right. Does Dodge control this blower?
Yes.
That's what I'm hearing you say.
Yes.
I think it's so cool they did this car. I don't know about this electric bullshit.
My inside scoop, the Banshee, it has a transformer in it. From what I was told from one of the guys in Dodge, can't mention his name, but they possibly may put a V8 or inline 6 off in it.
Ford is backing up on this electric stuff.
I wish they all would.
Well, the dealers that can't sell them, they're just cold as shit. If you're out like that and you're stranded,
yeah,
you can't pour electricity into that damn battery.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.